Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm super excited about today's video today because y'all, I love braids. And if you know me or keep up with me, you know that I have super short blonde hair. If you guys want, I'll include a picture. And I have braids, right? How, Janai? How do you have braids? It's a wig. It's a wig. This is a wig, y'all. Look at this. Look at this part in space. Look at this. Look at this. This is I can't even talk because I'm so excited. I got the baby hairs laid. The hair is from Neatandsleek. It comes in this beautiful gold satin bag. It is a full lace as far as like, if you look anywhere throughout the head, you can see parts. So it is full lace as far as that, but as you guys are gonna see when I install it, the actual lace is a frontal, like the actual lace that you install. It doesn't go all the way around to the back. So there are still parts in the back as you see, but no lace, you know what I mean? But it still looks great. I'm still able to put it up into a like half up, half down or situation or whatever I wanna do. Half up, half down is really just my favorite hairstyle, because I don't really like having hair in my face. I don't even know if this is even, but this is just gonna have to do for now. Literally my favorite. So it is human hair. As you guys saw when I had it down, it's not too bulky. There's not too many braids. Like, this is about how many braids I would have in my head if I actually got braids. And I also like about this wig how it's consistent as far as how many braids there are throughout the whole head, because some braided wigs have like, you know, some braided wigs have you know, a decent amount of braids in the front, and then you get to the back and it's just like a cluster of braids, and it's just like way more braids than you would ever have in your head. So I love that this is like natural. This wig is super light. I know you guys are gonna ask me, is it heavy? Not at all. Like, it does feel more heavy than my real hair because I'm basically bald, but it doesn't. This is the lightest protective style I've ever had. This is lighter than any braids that I've ever gotten. Obviously it doesn't hurt because they're not actually, you know, braided to my hair. And yeah, I did get this in a small cap size, so it fits my head like perfectly. It is waist length. I'm about to show you guys how long it is on me. The knots came pre-bleached great, and the baby hairs already came pre-plucked. I did cut them shorter because they come like about this long, as you guys are gonna see, but I didn't have to pluck them at all. They were already, you know, sparse enough. It's not laid as perfectly on this side, but we just gonna disregard because I usually wear my hair like this anyway. All right, let me show you how long it is. So this is their waist length option, and you do get the option to choose how long you want it when you place your order. I will have the link to this hair in the description box below and other information about it, but for right now, let's just jump right into the tutorial. I am super excited about this tutorial today. I've always wanted to try a braided wig, especially a braided wig that doesn't look like a braided wig, because I already know y'all know what I'm talking about. Most braided wigs look all bulky and fake. This one lays so flat, there's not too many braids in it, so it looks like how many braids you would get if you actually got your hair braided. It is full lace as far as you see, there's parts all the way throughout the whole scalp. It's not full lace as far as the lace that you install onto your head, but it is a frontal, and like I said, there are parts all throughout, which is great. One thing that I noticed that I love about this wig is that it has so many combs in the back. It has 4 combs in the back. That's unusual. There's usually only 1, and this is great. It makes the wig so much more secure, especially in the back, because they're braids, and the point is to look like they're coming out of your scalp. So even though there's no lace back here, it still lays flat if you know, catch a glimpse of the back. Of course, it does have adjustable straps, which I am going to tighten, and it has the adjustable elastic band to give it that really snug fit, so it really looks like it's on your head. The lace is so good. I tried it on before, but you're gonna see it when I install it, but the lace is literally so good. It does have a pre-plucked hairline. It's braided right now. That's what this braid going across the front is. So I'm gonna take that braid out after I install it and then do the baby hairs. It is already pre-bleached, the knots, so this wig literally comes ready to install. It is human hair, but I am still going to dip it in hot water before I install it, just to give it that nice, you know what I mean, just got your hair braided look. And all in all, I'm super excited to install it. So we're just gonna hurry up and get started. I'm going to do the bald cap method on camera. You may or may not have seen me do it in a tutorial or not already, but I'll just do it again. I got 200 kids. When my diamonds real, I said of course. long as possible. This is probably my favorite wig I've ever worn. I love that I got braids and didn't have to sit for braids. I didn't have to do the braids. Yeah, I'm gonna try and leave this on hopefully for like 2 weeks. I'm gonna keep y'all updated and let y'all know. But I'm super excited, I love it. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention, I love how the ombre is, how do I explain it? I love this ombre. Like a lot of black to blonde ombres be like black 613 platinum blonde and then like a line of demarcation where it barely blends. I love how this goes from black to brown to blonde, and I love this shade of blonde. I love that it's not that too white, yellow, 613 type of blonde. If you don't know what 613 type of blonde is, here's a picture. Yeah, I just love it. It's giving me Beyonce vibes. I know people gonna tell me, oh my god, you look like Beyonce, you look like Blue Ivy. Oh my god, I see it now. But, oh my god. Yes, if you guys have any questions, just comment below. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.